Hello everybody. Do you know how to say to be afraid of something in Kurmanji? No? Then let's learn it together. So our verb is tersin. Tersin is to be afraid of. So in present tense you say as the tersem, to the tersi, أو the terse, am hun أو the tersen. And of course negative form will be as na tersem. I am not afraid of something. To na tersi, أو na terse, am hun أو na terse. So as an example we can say jarnan zarok jtariye de tersin. Jarnan zarok jtariye de tersin. Sometimes children are afraid of darkness. Sometimes the children are afraid of darkness. And you can say as jiku chikan de tersem. As jiku chikan de tersem. I am afraid of dogs. Or you can say as jmaran na tersem. As jmaran na tersem. I am not afraid of snakes. No, never. And for past, so you will say as tersiyam, tu tersiyai, أو tersiya, am hun أو tersiyan. As I was afraid, you were afraid, he, she was afraid, etc. And negative form as netersiyam. I wasn't afraid. Tu netersiyai, أو نترسيا أم هون أو نترسيان. So as an example you can say دمكو as زارok boom as جماران دترسيام. دمكو as زارok boom as جماران دترسيام. I used to afraid of snakes when I was a kid, when I was small. Okay, so the tersiyam, literally I was afraid of something like this. Okay, so the question of the day, tersataya harimazin chiye. Tersataya harimazin chiye. What is your biggest fear? Tersataya harimazin chiye. Jumnre beja. Benivise. Okay, Gelix pass. Oh, thank you so much. Have a perfect day.